Hello everybody, this is Paul from Delaware Paddle Sports. Today we're going to be cutting in a rectangular hatch in a 2019 Hobie Compass.
We are going to be moving the existing 8-inch round hatch to the front of this Hobie Compass. Once the rectangular hatch is installed, I will show you exactly how to do that with the existing pieces on the hatch.
Alright, first thing we do is we remove the existing hatch, which I've already unscrewed. We take the rectangular hatch, which is available at Delaware Paddle Sports. You get these from us. You can order them online. What you'll do is you'll take the inner hatch, you will center it up on the existing circular hatch cutout. You'll take a pencil, draw your lines after you center everything up. Pull this off, then you will take a ruler and measure off 1/4 inch. And then you will proceed to cut out for your new hatch. Okay, now that we have the hatch cut out, we'll go to install the rectangular part of it. This is the insert that goes underneath that the hatch bolts to. The hatch already has a gasket on the bottom, so it gives it a nice tight seal.
Do it like a tire.
And the installation of your rectangular hatch is complete.
Now that the rectangular hatch has been removed and the rectangular hatch has been installed, we're going to take the existing 8-inch round hatch that we also sell at Delaware Paddle Sports and install it into the front of this 2019 Hobie Compass. This is the bottom hatch, which it gets screwed into the kayak with. This is what you're going to use to trace the part you cut out to install this 8-inch round hatch. You take this, it fits right in this plastic mold nicely. Trace it with a pencil to get your line. Then you go ahead, you have a paddle bit to get your hole started. Now when you cut this 8-inch hole out, it's important to cut to the outside of your line to give you plenty of room so it closes correctly. Sail mast is a good thing to center it on. And there is a brown hatch in the 2019 Hobie Compass.
We finished up installing the rectangular hatch and this Hobie compass for you. I did the hard part.
I'm John. I did the easy part.
If you have any questions, you can call us at Delaware Paddle Sports, area code 302-645-7300, or visit us at DelawarePaddlesports.com.
Three, two.
This is Paul at Delaware Paddle Sports. We've finished installing the rectangular hatch in this Hobie compass. I did the hard part.
I'm John from Delaware Paddle Sports, the guy that did the easy part.
If you have any questions, you can visit us at DelawarePaddlesports.com.
All right, good.